Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Pineapple curry, also known as pineapple sasav, is a classic Goan dish that's mild, tangy, sweet, and irresistibly aromatic. It's a unique fruit-based curry that's full of flavor and perfect for anyone who loves trying recipes with a twist. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for a Goan pineapple curry, also called pineapple sasav. This dish combines the natural sweetness of ripe pineapple with the gentle heat of red chilies, the earthiness of cumin and coriander, and the richness of fresh coconut. The result? A creamy, mildly spicy curry that's packed with flavor and goes perfect with rice or even as a light side dish. You'll also pick up practical tips on how to choose and prep a fresh pineapple, how to balance flavors depending on the fruit's sweetness or tartness, and how to get that authentic Goan taste perfectly right. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan pineapple curry or pineapple sasav. Step 1. Preparing the pineapple. We have taken one ripe pineapple weighing around 800 grams. You will know the fruit is ripe when you will be able to smell its sweet and tangy fragrance. Remove the crown of the pineapple by twisting it and keep it aside. If you have a garden, you can even plant it. Place the pineapple in a plate and cut out thin layers of the skin from top to bottom. In doing this, you should only be attempting to remove the coarse skin and not the eyes. Pineapple is a nutrient-rich fruit that boosts immunity, aids digestion with its natural enzyme bromelain, and has anti-inflammatory benefits. It's also good for heart and eye health. It supports hydration and detox and offers natural sweetness with fewer calories, making it a healthy and flavorful addition to any dish. Next is cutting out the eyes. Make slight cuts to remove the eyes. You can do this for 2 to 3 eyes at a time. You will also notice that all the eyes are often present in a spiraled pattern around the fruit. Follow this pattern as you make slight cuts to remove them. Once you have removed all the eyes, cut the pineapple into 2 halves lengthwise. Then cut each half into 2 quarters. Cut out the core from each quarter. The core is hard and therefore we will not use it. Cut the other half of the pineapple similarly. Try to cut the pineapple in a plate so you can collect the juice that flows out while cutting. Cut each quarter into thinner strips and cut them into smaller pieces. We got around 400 grams of pineapple after cutting and cleaning. Pineapple pieces are ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take half-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Let it soak in half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Take 2 Kashmiri red chilies and 6 spicy button red chilies. This combination of chilies will give the curry a light orange color. However, if you want a bright orange color, then use only 4 Kashmiri red chilies. Cut them into small pieces and discard the stem and some of the seeds. Take 4 cloves of garlic. Cut them into smaller pieces. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder. 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery or sugar depending on your taste preference. Color of the curry will differ based on what you are using. Around 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. 2 teaspoons of salt. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind along with the water. Add the freshly grated coconut. Add the red chilies, coriander seeds, cumin or jeera seeds, garlic pieces. Also add half cup or 125 ml of water. Grind to a medium fine paste. It should not be ground very smooth, nor it should be very coarse. Curry paste is ready. Step 4. Preparing the pineapple curry. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Add the asafoetida or hing powder. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir everything properly. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir everything nicely. Add the pineapple pieces. Stir them nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
After around 5 minutes, add the curry paste. Use half cup or 125 ml of water to remove the paste left in the mixer and add it now. Mix everything properly. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add the salt. Stir everything properly. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Add the jaggery or sugar. You will need to adjust the quantity of jaggery or tamarind based on the sweetness or sourness of your pineapple. Check for salt, sweetness, sourness and add whatever is required. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 6 to 7 minutes or until the pineapple is cooked. Cook the pineapple until it becomes soft and tender. Enjoy this pineapple curry hot with rice, bread or chapati. It's a meal to remember. Delicious pineapple curry or pineapple sasav is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.